day everyone. My name is Macjuber Estacio, BPED 1, first year. Good day everyone. When we hear the word compassion, a lot of us think it just feeling sorry for someone, but it's so much deeper. In my own words, compassion is when you don't just notice pain or struggle in another person, animal, or even nature. You actually feel it with them, and that feeling pushes you to do something about it. It's not just emotion, it's action. Sympathy says, I see you hurt. Compassion says, I I will walk with you to ease that hurt. It starts with opening our hearts instead of turning away when things get hard, to choosing kindness even when no one is watching. Compassion toward others. First, let's talk about people, which first compassion in small and big ways. At FIU, it can be helping a classmate who's falling behind because they work part-time or struggle with lessons, sharing notes, listening when they stress, um, or inviting them to group work instead of leaving them outside the school. It's giving way to an elder, helping helping a neighbor carry heavy things, or speaking up when someone stays or ignore. Compassion isn't about grand gestures only. It's it's consistency. When we treat every person with dignity regardless of where they come from, what they believe, or what they look like, we make our communities suffer and warmer. Compassion toward the environment. Compassion isn't only the people, it extends to the world around us. Nature feed us shelter, us gives us clean air and water. Yet yet we yet we often treat it, it like something we can use and throw away. Environmental compassion means understanding that harm to nature is harm to ourselves and future generations. It's choosing reusable instead of single-use plastics, segregating trash properly, planting trees, not wasting food or water, and speaking up against illegal logging or pollution. And our own neighborhoods in Pangasinan, it's cleaning canal so floods don't ruin homes, protecting mangroves, and teaching younger kids that caring for plant and animals is caring for our own families. Compassion here means living gently so the earth stays alive for everyone. Rule of communal discernment. Now, what does communal discernment mean? Her communal means together as a community. Discernment means thinking deeply, listening carefully, and choosing is truly good and right, not just what is easy or popular. We cannot build a compassionate view or world alone. When we practice communal discernment, we set together students, teachers, neighbors, and us. Who who is suffering her? What are we doing that hurts them, our land? How can we change it together? Okay, instead of judging or staying silent, we listen to voice usually ignore the marginalized future generations. For example, when we decide school rules or community projects, we don't just decide based on what we want. We discern together what serve everyone fairly. That unity stops compassion from being random. It makes it a habit and a culture. Okay, bringing it all together. At the end of the day, compassion, communal discernment, it how change happens. PU becomes more compassionate when we form groups to tutor, clean, and support each other. Other openly, other openly, the word becomes compassionate when every small choice, from not littering to helping a stranger to listening before speaking, adds up. Compassion isn't something we wait for others to do. It starts with us right now, and with our community thinking and acting together. No struggles is too heavy, no one too hard to heal, want too hard to heal. Thank you. At PU, communal discernment help us make rules, programs, and habits that lift everyone up, not just a few. Globally, it guides communities to protect nature and help one another instead of fighting or ignoring problems. Compassion plus thinking and acting together turns small good choices into real change. Compassion isn't something we wait for others to start. It begins with us today together. Thank you.